Going on Facebook.
It stinks in here. It does.
Yeah, it's a bathroom.
What is the girl's bathroom in the whole world that stinks?
It's right there.
Oh. This wasn't here when I was here.
Alright, let's go. What do you do, like the font? We're here. Hurricane. We are being really nerdy alumni right now and squealing over our campus. See? Skipping while holding it. Oh my gosh! I want to do it too, but I can't. Yay! I'm filming while my friends are musical walking. This is what we used to do when we went to school here. It's like we never left. Here, toss it.
I'm gonna do it too.
Or is it filming?
Yeah.
Yay!
We left our bags over there. Look at them.
Yay!
This is the. I feel like
Howard
this is the one
Payne.
place on earth that can be spontaneous and no one can.
It's because we own this place.
You go, then I go, then you can grab it for person. Okay. Ready? Okay.
Yeah!
So fun! Brownwood is where it's at.
That's right.
Man, I did that on my back shoulder. What was I thinking? You were thinking Brownwood is cool.
Maria hurt herself.
Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. I did that last time. I want to see it.
Oh my gosh, there's Steve!
Go.
Oh, it's like the reason that we really miss Brownwood is this place right here. One of the many reasons.
I'm standing in a shadow.
She's taking a picture of me.
I don't know.
We're waiting for Steve. Dr. Hop, wave.
Whoa!
Wave!
Okay.
Well, this is why I came straight here after driving 2.5 hours. It's so worth it. It's so worth it. Oh no! Disaster!
What happened to the quality of bread?
Here they are. Drink it.
Oh.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it can't turn it that way.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah. I'm not turn it off.
Oh.
The big hit. I will. No, you don't. I need it right
Are
here.
we going to bring the nose to the
No.
cream or the
Bring the
cream?
plate to the
Okay,
nose.
that's what Maria Antoinette said.
Let me zoom
Get
in.
it off.
Smile, fatty.
Lick it off.
There you go.
Well, that was an adventure at lunchtime.
He did it.
She's on all three.
Are you know. Okay. How do you even dance with this like this? What are you doing? Oh, wait, no, we should do cumbia. Like this?
No, we're supposed to go like that.
Anyway, well, I'll see you later.
Two times! I want to spin you. I want to do my famous spin. Go. Whoa! Keep going, keep going. Keep coming. Don't you know this? Okay, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Ready? Wait, ready? Wait, let's shoot. Hold on.
When?
Go behind the back. Hey, when I put your hand behind your back, it has to go. Right. Behind your back. Come on, come on. And dip. And back. See?
And there's the bat building for no
It's motionless.
reason.
Look, it just freaking.
Oh, he's
It's on my ass.
catatonic.
It's on my ass. Leaving it.
I want to get it.
$80
Awesome.
These $80 jeans attract things such as ladybugs.
On your
Oh,
eyes.
my shirt cost $3.
Okay.
And it peed on it. That is not cool. My shirt cost $3. Oh, it was my only clean shirt this morning.
Making the rounds in downtown.
I seriously really want to know why this thing is here. Ooh, look.
Because of racism.
Somebody take a picture of me now. Oh,
Oh, sure.
wait, gotta see my eyes.
That's cool.
Ow, this is funky. Where? I did it without complaining. One, two, wait, are you ready? Wait, you gonna crawl back? Whoa. Oh, go ahead. One, two,
That looks so cool.
how low can I go? Oh my god, not low. I feel like I went lower than you.
You did, actually.
I want to do it again. That was a good stretch. Let me do it again. Here. I'm just stretching. I'm going to do it on the other side of it. Whoa. Oh, I know. Okay, we're going to stand in this exact spot, and we're all going to do it so you can get lowest. Okay. Right here. It's because she's the shortest.
Well, I can't get the low. No.
Okay. Ready?
I have a hurt
I'm
shoulder.
going to do it again. Is that it? Are you done? Yeah. Are you done? Yeah, I feel like I go anywhere.
Now Sarah's gonna do it.
I don't know.
That's Marmot's turn.
I'm scared because I hurt my shoulder. Oh, yeah, that's stretching.
I know, I hurt my back just now
Be
when I was
careful.
doing that.
Like, just try it. Put your hands back there, and if you can't go, then don't. Or you'll lose the game, really. But
Don't fall. Don't fall and hurt yourself. Oh, she's little.
whoa, whoa. Okay, Wayne. Wayne. Hurry! I got it.